Hey, Fu,
What's up, buddy?
if you want to work out,
Do I want to work out?
yeah, you want to work out, you can take a chance and knead this dough for me. Been going at this for like 5 minutes. You know, we could start a gym after this.
What's your gym called?
No need.
No need. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
I'm really excited to make something different than Korean fusion for the judges. I'm making kind of a deconstructed cannoli, which is an Italian dessert. So I'm making cannoli dip with homemade chips for it. So it's kind of my go-to dish for making out at outdoor events. Whenever I have picnics or a football game, I just love making it for friends. It's a very sweet, very tasty dish. This is definitely a little bit more out of my comfort zone that the judges are used to seeing. And I'm also making the dough completely from scratch.
Hey, Tony.
Hi,
Hi,
judges.
Tony.
How
How
y'all
are
doing?
you?
What you making?
I am busy cutting out the little pastries for my cannoli dip.
You say cannoli.
I said cannoli dip. Yeah, it's like a deconstructed cannoli right here. So I'm making the pastries right now for. I'm gonna deep fry those.
And so what's in your filling?
So in my filling, I've got ricotta cheese, mascarpone cheese, some vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and chocolate chips.
I actually worked in Sicily and I worked the pastry station for probably 3 months and I made cannolis every day.
Oh.
I put orange zest in my cannoli filling and it just like took it to the next level. So if you want to steal that little tip,
Okay.
I'll share that with you.
Well, hopefully mine's up to par, all right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you,
judges.
Tony.
So I'm taking Leah's advice and added freshly grated orange zest to the cannoli filling. I mean, I'd love to get Dan's advice on the cannoli once it's in its final forms and give Dan a taste and let him see what he thinks of it.
He's looking good. Next thing we'll have to practice is which way the beach is.
Hey, there we go.
Beach is that way.
Oh.
What I'm making, it's caprese chicken, and I'm gonna make some homemade cavatelli. Where I would take this to is 4th of July parties or any type of house party, and I get invited to a lot of house parties.
Hi, Dan.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm well, chefs. How are you today?
Good. What are you making for us, Dan?
I'm brining some chicken out right here. I have the tomatoes and the mozzarella cut over there, and I've made a dough over here that I'm going to make cavatelli with. My grandmother's cavatelli maker. After she passed, I got it. Hopefully I pull it off.
Wow. So this you learned to make from your grandmother, the cavatelli?
I did. You would start out, you get to roll the dough, and that's it, just roll the dough. And then you were able to graduate up to making them with the fork. And then once they were happy with your performance there, you were allowed to use the cavatelli maker, at which point you said, I cannot believe I rolled 10,000 of these things by hand when I could have run them through this machine. But hey, that's the price you gotta pay.
This is the
Yeah,
original, right?
That's the original. It has the price on it. It's like 11, there it is, $11.95.
Oh, I love it.
Handwritten note in it from her. And
I can feel the love that you have and the respect that you have for your Nona, and I think that's a really beautiful thing.
thank you, chef. Means a lot.
Well, Dan, I tell you what, we cannot wait to taste the legacy that she's left behind and the love and all that she's taught you through food.
I'm glad you stopped by. Thanks
Thank
for popping
you.
in.
Delicious. Thank you, Dan.
Thank you. What makes me think about my grandmother, it's when I'm turning the cavatelli maker. It's not the visual of seeing what comes out of it. It's you hear that clicking, click, 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 click. And that's actually what reminds me of her. My whole life I've been waiting for that.
Hey, this is Graham Elliott. I am so excited to be part of the Great American Recipe on PBS. Here's more delicious moments from the show for you to devour. You can watch the full competition on the PBS video app. And if you're looking for recipes, head over to pbs.org/food.